Apartment Therapy. I'm Jessica Brigham, and welcome to Style School. Today I'm going to teach you how to hang a gallery wall, so let's get to it. First, map out your gallery wall in advance. Grab a measuring tape, some painter's tape, and mark your soon-to-be gallery wall directly on the floor. Arrange and rearrange until you find just the perfect layout. This helps limit unwanted nail holes in the wall, although I don't shy away from this personally. I use what I like to call the finger marks the spot method. Position your frame and use your fingertip to mark the spot for your nail. Give yourself a helping hand by wearing a tool belt for all of your things. Hammer your nails in on an angle for optimal support. To patch up old nail holes, use a dab of spackle. The hole is so small, it dries super quick. Give it a light sand, paint if needed, and voila, all gone. For an eclectic look, mix and match different frame styles and periods of artwork for a fun and vintage vibe. For a more modern look, keep lines clean and simple by pairing together only 1 to 2 styles of frames. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Be sure to watch the rest of the series and show us your gallery walls by tagging Apartment Therapy and Small Cool at Home.